Come and look at this old faded photograph. Honey, tell me what it brings to mind. It's a picture of that 57 Chevrolet. I wish that we could ride it one more time. I still get excited when I think about the driving picture shows you took me to. But I don't recall a lot about the movie stars. Mostly that old Chevrolet and you. They don't make cars like they used to. I wish we still had it today. The love we first tasted, the good love we're still living, we owe it to that old 57 Chevrolet. Remember when we used to park it in the lane and listen to the country radio? We'd hold on to each other while the singer sang, and we stayed like that till it was time to go. Now it makes me sad to think the good old days are gone. Although our love is still as strong today, but the world would have a lot more lovers hanging on if they still made 57 Chevrolet. They don't make cars like they used to. I wish we still had it today. The love we first tasted, the good love we're still living, we owe it to that old 57 Chevrolet. They don't make cars like they used to. I wish we still had it today. The love we first tasted, the good love we're still living, we owe it to that old